Hi everyone, my name's Josh and today I'm going to show you how I made a campfire that you can use in D&D, Earthdawn, Pathfinder or any other role-playing game you need. All you need for this is a base, some Old Sprues and toothpicks. First, take some of your sprues and cut them into small pieces. These pieces will form the rocks that we'll use to make a ring of stones around your campfire. The other sprues should be cut into lengths. We're going to use these as the logs. So take your knife and cut them down. Cut along the sides so that they no longer look very square and angular. You want them to look like pieces of tree trunks that have been cut up, not like trapezoidal sprues. If you can get a hold of some round sprues, like the ones you see in many model tank kits, like the ones produced by Tamiya, these will be a lot more helpful because they already have that natural round shape. Take your little rocks and glue them around your base in a ring. You should use super glue for this. The first time I tried it, I used the hot glue gun and it did not work very well. Alright, now to simulate the layer of ash that you'll find at the bottom of the fire pit, just brush in some PVA into the bottom inside the ring and then add your favourite flock. Modelling flock is a bit hard to find where I live, so I'm using tea leaves. And after it's dried, I just went over again with a bit of watered down PVA just to help it harden up. Thank you very much to the terrain tutor for that tip. And now for the fun part. Take your sprues and your toothpicks and use them to make a fireplace in the center. Glue them down with super glue so that they stay in place. Put them together pretty much any way you want or any way you would normally build a fire. And once that's done, it's ready to be primed and painted. I painted little red patches on my logs to represent embers that are just dying down. Perfect for when you inevitably have an ambush in the middle of a long rest. And there you have it. One nice little campfire. It's nice and quick and easy. Thank you very much for watching and I hope you got something out of this. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and feel free to leave a comment, and if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and share it with your friends. See you next time.